Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of augmented reality, or AR, in sports coaching apps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to create a simple AR sports coaching application using Java. Before we start coding, let's understand the tools we'll be using. For AR development, we'll integrate the AR Core library into our Android application. You should have Android Studio installed and set up on your machine. Additionally, we're going to use Java as our programming language. Let's create a new project in Android Studio. Open Android Studio and click on Create New Project. Choose the Empty Activity template. Click Next. Name your project AR Sports Coaching. Set the package name to com.example.rsportscoaching and choose a suitable save location. Now, set the language to Java and the minimum API level to at least API 24, Android 7.0. This is necessary because AR Core requires a minimum API level of 24. Once your project is created, we need to add the AR Core dependency to our app. Open your build.gradle file, module, app, and add the following line in the dependencies section. Sync your project with the Gradle files. This will download the necessary AR Core libraries to your project. After syncing, we'll prepare our app for camera permissions, which will be necessary for AR functionality. In your Android manifest.xml file, we need to request camera permissions. Add the following line inside the manifest tag. Next, we need to add the AR Core feature to the manifest. Just below the uses permission line, include this. Now, let's set up the AR fragment. This will be our main UI component to display the augmented reality content. Open your activity_main.xml file and replace its content with the following code. Now that we have our layout ready, let's create our main activity. Open your main activity.java file. First, import the necessary classes. We will also define a variable for our AR fragment and our model renderable. Let's declare these variables. In the onCreate method, we'll initialize our AR fragment and load our 3D model. First, add the following lines to initialize AR fragment. Now we need to create a method to load a 3D model. We will use a placeholder model for demonstration. Add the following code in your main activity. Now we need to implement interaction. We want the user to place the 3D model in the AR scene when they tap the screen. To achieve this, override the onTouch event method and detect hit results. Now let's implement the placeSelectedObject method. This method will place our 3D model at the touched position in the AR world. Next, we need to initialize our 3D model when the activity starts. Call the loadModel method inside your onCreate method. We are nearing completion. At this point, we have the basic framework of an AR sports coaching app. Now you will want to test the app on a physical device, as AR functionalities don't work on the emulator. Connect your Android device, ensure USB debugging is enabled, and run the app. Tap the screen to place your 3D model in the AR space. This model can represent any sports coaching tool, like a soccer ball or a basketball hoop. Think about how you could expand this app further. For instance, consider adding audio feedback where the coach can record and play back their voice instructions tied to specific actions in the AR environment. Also, think about incorporating data analytics to track user interactions, providing insights into performance and areas for improvement. Using AR, you can create a more immersive and engaging coaching experience. In this video tutorial, we created a basic AR sports coaching app. You learned how to set up AR Core, build a layout, and create interaction functionality. For more advanced features, consider exploring AR frameworks such as Unity for creating more complex environments. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on Java programming, AR, and various app development techniques. See you in the next video.